If you want to save items on Temu, then this is how you're gonna do it. So this tutorial is very easy. All you have to do is to follow all of the steps that I'm gonna be teaching you here. So first up, you're gonna open your Temu app. So you're just going to click on Temu, and then from here, you're going to search for any of the products that you want to save or any products that you love. So for example, I want to save this Grammy phone case. I'm just going to click on that, and then from here, you can just scroll down until you find the save button. So you're just going to scroll all the way down until you see this product details section, which usually contains the save button. So you can see it with a heart icon. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to click on save, and as you can see here, it has been saved to our wish list. Now, if you want to see your saved products or saved items, you can just head back until you see this, or until you're back in your dashboard or home. And then from here, you're going to click on the U button at the bottom of the screen. And then from there, you will be able to see this wish list with a heart icon. Now, this wish list contains all of your saved items, like as you can see right here. And that's it. That is how you can save items on Temu. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you need more tutorials, then you can just comment down below, or you can try to find some of our tutorials from our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.